Cats are known for their mysterious and often unpredictable behaviors, but one thing that surprises many cat owners is when their feline friend starts drooling while being petted or cuddled. Most people associate drooling with dogs, who tend to do it in response to food, excitement, or even just because they can't help it. But when a cat drools, especially when they're happy, it can be both amusing and a little puzzling. Why do some cats do this? Is it normal, or is it something to be concerned about? The answer lies in their instincts, physiology, and emotional responses, making this an even more fascinating behavior than it first appears. One of the biggest reasons why a cat drools when happy is because they are experiencing deep relaxation and contentment. Just like a person might sigh or even tear up when feeling completely at peace, cats sometimes have physical responses to strong emotions. When a cat is being petted in just the right way, snuggled in a warm lap, or simply feeling completely safe and loved, their body enters a deeply relaxed state. In this state, their muscles loosen, including the ones that control their saliva production. This can cause a little bit of drool to escape, especially if the cat is so relaxed that they forget to swallow as often as usual. Another reason is that drooling is often linked to kneading, an instinctive behavior that starts in kittenhood. When kittens nurse from their mothers, they knead their tiny paws against their mother's belly to stimulate milk flow. This nursing experience is deeply comforting, and as a result, many cats continue kneading well into adulthood whenever they feel safe and content. Some adult cats even associate this act with feelings of security so strongly that their body responds in a way similar to when they were nursing, by drooling. Since kneading and drooling are both linked to early kittenhood memories, it makes sense that a cat engaging in one behavior might also show the other. Some cats are simply more prone to drooling when happy due to genetics or individual differences in saliva production. Just like humans have different physical traits, some cats may naturally have looser mouth muscles or produce slightly more saliva when they are in a heightened emotional state. For these cats, drooling is a normal part of their behavior and not necessarily an indicator of any health problems. However, not all cats drool when happy, and some will never exhibit this behavior no matter how content they feel. Interestingly, happy drooling in cats can also be linked to their sense of smell. When a cat is feeling particularly affectionate or connected to their owner, they often engage in scent-marking behaviors such as rubbing their head against them, licking, or even drooling. Saliva carries their scent, and while it's not as effective as rubbing their face or body on something, some experts believe that a cat's happy drooling may serve as a subconscious way of claiming their favorite person. Essentially, when your cat drools on you, it might just be their way of saying, "You're mine, and I love you." While happy drooling is usually harmless, there are some cases where it can indicate an underlying issue. If a cat suddenly starts drooling excessively when they never did before, or if the drooling is accompanied by other symptoms such as bad breath, difficulty eating, pawing at the mouth, or weight loss, it could be a sign of dental disease, an oral infection, or another medical condition. Cats are very good at hiding pain, so sometimes subtle signs like drooling can be the first clue that something is wrong. If a cat is drooling excessively without any clear reason, a vet checkup is always a good idea to rule out any health concerns. Another possible explanation for increased drooling in cats is the presence of stress or overstimulation. While many cats drool when they are happy, some may also do it when they are feeling anxious or overwhelmed. This is because emotions like excitement, fear, and stress can sometimes trigger excessive salivation. If a cat is drooling during a visit to the vet, a car ride, or in an unfamiliar environment, it's more likely due to nervousness than happiness. The key difference is that happy drooling is usually accompanied by purring, kneading, and relaxed body language, whereas stress-induced drooling may be paired with wide eyes, tense muscles, and a desire to escape. Another fascinating theory behind happy drooling in cats is that it could be linked to their primitive instincts. In the wild, big cats such as lions and tigers sometimes drool when they are relaxed and grooming themselves or their cubs. Since domestic cats share many of the same instincts and behaviors as their wild relatives, it's possible that happy drooling is simply a vestige of their evolutionary past. In the wild, saliva can also serve as a way to cool down in hot temperatures, so some experts believe that this instinct may play a minor role in why some cats produce extra saliva when they are feeling comfortable and secure. For cat owners, one of the most interesting things about happy drooling is that it is often accompanied by what is known as a love bite. Some cats, when they are especially content, will give their owner a small, gentle nibble, usually on the fingers or hand. This is not an act of aggression but rather an affectionate gesture similar to how cats groom each other by gently nibbling on their fur. If a cat is both drooling and giving love bites at the same time, it is a sure sign that they are in an extreme state of relaxation and happiness. If you have a cat that drools when happy, there are a few things you can do to manage it if you find it messy. Keeping a small cloth or towel nearby when petting your cat can help you wipe away any drool before it gets on your clothes or furniture. Some owners even place a soft blanket in their cat's favorite cuddle spot to absorb any moisture. If the drooling becomes excessive or if your cat seems uncomfortable, it's always worth checking with a vet to make sure there are no underlying health concerns. Overall, drooling when happy is just one of the many charming quirks that make cats unique. While it may seem unusual at first, it is actually a sign of deep trust and affection. A cat that drools on you is showing that they feel completely at ease, safe, and loved in your presence. So the next time your cat starts to drool while purring in your lap, take it as a compliment. It's not just a dog thing, it's a cat's way of telling you they are truly, completely happy.